Joe Beermaster. We have a 2006 Nissan Xterra. This goes for multiple years. I'm going to show you how to take the tail light out to change a bulb. Right here the stoplight's not working. You also have reverse lights, turn signal lights. So the first thing you want to do is open the hatch. As we open the hatch, this light has an aftermarket guard on it. So normally there's two screws here that hold this light in. But these screws will look different than the ones you have. They came with the aftermarket guard, but nonetheless they're two screws. They're usually 10 millimeters or a Phillips head, so we're going to take them out. This will take the guard off and the light. So if you don't have a guard, this will take those bolts off. Okay, now that that's off, now the bolts are out. We want to wiggle this, but they don't come out real easy because there's a little, there's either pins in here or a slide. So we want to hold it with one hand and hit it with the other like that. That's how you get it out. And then we're going to change a bulb, twist it, and pull the bulb straight out. That's the bulb we know that's out. If you look closely, there's numbers on the bottom. You could call them into your auto supply house or take it there. They'll match it up. You can tell them the make and model of the year of the vehicle. And you just plug it back in and do reverse. And you can see these little pins, push pins. And there's a grommet there, that's what holds it in. And that's it, Joe Beermaster. We're going to change the bulb and put it back together and everything should be fine. Thanks for watching.